how to order something from Aliexpress without a credit card. So for example, let's look for a product we want to buy here. Let's say we want to buy this Joy-Con. Let's add it to cart. And then let's check out. Now, unfortunately, on AliExpress, there's only two payment methods that you can use. You can either add a new cart, which we don't want, or you can use Alipay Plus. And if you want to use Alipay Plus, so let's search it up. On Alipay Plus, there's all of this merchant that's supported. So from Alipay Plus, you have to use one of these. So there's Aku Pay Later, Aliplay, Boost, Changi Pay, Dana, Doku, Gcash, HiPay, GrabPay, and many more. So you'll have to see if your method of paying is supported here. If it is, then great. You can buy something without a credit card. If not, then tough luck. You'll have to wait for it to be supported or just use a credit card. But anyways, that is how you pay on AliExpress without a credit card. It's as easy as that.